Man, what a great day. A great day. Alright, I'm at the bus stop. So yesterday we explored downtown Nassau. Today we're gonna go to the opposite end and try to explore the southwestern side of the Providence Island, New Providence Island. More specifically, I'm trying to get to the Clifton Heritage Park. Apparently have some cool stuff to do there, so just gotta wait for the number 12 bus and get going. So I'm off the bus. I'm in Lyford Key. That's how you say it, Lyford Key. I'm trying to get to Clifton Heritage Park. There's no known taxis to get there, so I might have to hike or hitchhike or just go to a walk. Maybe a 45 minute to an hour walk, but I don't mind. Only 55 minutes to go. Alright, so I tried to get a rental, but I don't have my ID on me. Kind of left that at my house. I was hoping I could use my passport, but the guy that owns the rental company was like, no. Which makes sense, it's fine. I'll just keep on walking. On the bright side, this is gonna save me a lot of money. So I only paid $2.50 for the bus to get to Lyford Key, and I've been on walk 45 minutes to an hour to get to the park. So in all, that would have saved me $30 taxi ride, $30 or $20 taxi ride. So by the way, I guess I'll take this time to explain the bus system in Nassau. Talking to the bus driver on my ride to Lyford Key. If you're on West Bay Street, which is a street leading into downtown Nassau, the government has, I guess, subsidized or regulated with the bus drivers that the fare is only $1.25. And once you leave West Bay Street and you head into Lyford Key, the bus becomes $2.25. So the bus drivers can legally charge you $2.25. So if you ever go beyond West Bay Street, it's good to keep that in mind. So we're at Jaws Beach, which is signs right there. And Jaws Beach is really close to Heritage Park, so almost there, probably 20 minutes away. Gotta say, what this little walk taught me is when you travel, if you really want to go somewhere, if you really want to see anything, don't, buy into big excuses. This took me an hour walk to get to this park because I really wanted to see the park. I could have easily just went home because there's no taxis here or nobody would pick me up when I hitchhike, but that's no excuse, This is pretty sketchy. It's just a bridge that doesn't seem too safe. Oh, but look at this view, guys. Okay, so Jaws Beach is to my right, which means Heritage Park is straight ahead. I had to stop real quick and look at the beach. It's just too beautiful to ignore. But yeah, that was Jaws Beach. I'm gonna keep walking. Like I said, head towards Clifton Heritage Park. My GPS says we're like 10 minutes away, so just around the corner. Alright guys, I made the decision. I'm just gonna hang at the beach for a while. It's too beautiful. I mean, look at that. So I'm gonna hang for an hour or so and then maybe go see the park. Okay, so I thought this beach was free, but it's not. Apparently it's part of the whole Clifton Park thing, which is fine. Spoke to the lady and she said it's $11.25 to stay here, so I paid it and it's not a big deal. Plus On the bright side, at the end of the day, I get a ride home from the main office. I don't have to walk an hour again, so that's that's worth the $10. So I already saved enough money walking here for the hour. You get this bracelet. In all seriousness, if you do come here, I would really strongly suggest you just spend a couple days on the North Providence Island. There's so much to do. Spend a lot of money. If you're willing to walk, it's just great. It's really great. All you budget travelers, this is it. This is really it. Alright, that's enough beach for one day. I think the shuttle back to my hostel leaves at 2:30, so I'm gonna go see the rest of the park, maybe see some of the ruins, and let's get going. Alright, so I'm changed and I'm off. Hopefully I can see some ruins before it's 2:30. Don't miss the cheap ride back to my hostel. I think I found some ruins. And it's real cool to think like this was once shelter for somebody, you know? Just throughout time it becomes this. Alright, let's move on. So I saw this little shop I want to go check out. I just want to see what inside looks like. Then we keep walking. Man, this place is so beautiful. Look at this. You don't see that every day in Boston. That's what inside looks like. Oh man, that's so cool. I wonder how long it took them to build it. Honestly, on the skills of these people in the Caribbean, probably 2 days. We're gonna head back now. Keep going. Just so you guys know, if you come here and you want to see the sculptures in the sea, I think it's called the Coral Reef Sculpture Garden. This is where you come. Unfortunately, I don't have time to do it today, but if you ever get the chance to come to the Clifton Heritage Park, this is where you go and sign up for it. It might be smarter to book it ahead, but I just showed you where you go and where you board the boat to go see the Coral Reef Garden. Excited to get back because I am hungry. I literally woke up and just hit the road this morning. I didn't grab food, nothing to drink. I haven't had water all day, so kind of like tired, hungry. My skin is extremely dry. I don't know if you can see that, but it's extremely dry. It's from the salt water. So I'm gonna go back, take a shower, find some food, probably close out the day. So I'm just waiting for my shuttle. This is the ticket to bring me directly to my hostel. Meantime, I guess I'll just walk around real quick. Alright, thanks man. You're welcome. You too. My food is done. I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I want to thank you guys again for watching. I mean, so far Bahamas has been great. I cannot complain. I can't stress enough how my food felt. I can't stress enough how amazing, friendly, and so welcoming the people of this country is. You know, everybody I meet, they have a story, they're willing to share. It's just great. It's so welcoming here. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Again, thanks for watching. Find your journey. I'm your boy Jay. Peace. this.